We have been hearing a lot of different opinions about what is happening in the real estate market, so we are going to let you know what we've been seeing and what we think will happen with housing in the spring. If you're on the fence about buying or selling, this might help you make a decision. Stay to the end, hear why we think it might be a good time to buy and our predictions for the remainder of the year into 2024.
As you may have heard, interest rates have been on the rise, which has priced some borrowers out of the market entirely, and others have been put on the fence waiting for interest rates to come down.
A lot of people are wondering how this is happening even with interest rates being so high, and the answer is inventory. It falls back to supply and demand. We still don't have enough houses available for the amount of buyers that there are. We probably won't for some time. The reason for this is during the foreclosure crisis, building all but stopped and didn't really start again until COVID, once people realized we were having a housing shortage. So that's roughly 10 years of almost no building at all and now being behind for the current population. And honestly, even before 2010, the amount of houses being built was not really up to par for what was needed. So until we get our housing levels back to where they need to be, this pattern is probably going to continue.
So with that being said, the question might be, why would someone want to purchase a home in this market where interest rates are high and inventory is low? Well, the one thing we have to consider also is rentals. Rentals have been impacted the same, if not more, than the housing market has. What I mean by that is it's harder to get a rental property in today's market than it was prior. Rental values have gone up and there's also a high demand. They're experiencing a low inventory situation as well. Ultimately, what that means is you might have a challenge getting a rental property just the same as if you were to purchase. In a rental world, with both demand and prices going up, in many cases you can purchase a home for lower money in a monthly payment. You'll have the additional benefits of building equity and stability in your home.
So now that you understand what is happening in the market, we want to let you know our projections for the future. One thing you need to remember is that this market was not created by COVID, all coming back to a lack of homes for sale. Since we are severely behind on building, this is believed to continue for some time. Historically, in the spring, you usually see more homes come on the market, so if that's the case, we may see a little more ease in purchasing. But if you're wanting to see price drops happen, we don't think that's going to be the case. Prices will probably sustain, and they are actually estimating in 2024 to increase slightly.
The projection for the market is we're expecting rates to come down. Not sure exactly when that's going to occur, but here's what we do know. When interest rates do come down, we're expecting to see more demand. More folks are going to be coming back to the marketplace. If you buy today, when rates come down, you could potentially refinance to a lower monthly payment and interest rate.
Hopefully all this information has helped you understand what is going on currently and helped you make a decision whether to buy or sell. If you have any questions about the information we've covered in this video or just anything related to real estate in general, please don't hesitate to reach out.
Oh, I want you to stare at me. It makes me focus. You're